Before we start this video, I'd like to say sorry for the bad audio quality and the heater running in the background. And also this video is like 4 days late, like 3 days late. This video was recorded Friday the 16th and it's being uploaded the 19th, so I'm sorry for the delay.
Alright, it's CaptainChris here today. So I got these two boxes. Well, this one's not really a box, but we have two packages today. So this is a fire alarm unboxing. So I haven't bought any fire alarms probably. So I think it's been since October, so it's been a long time. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, we got this small little box. I'm gonna make sure. I'm gonna do this up here so I don't show this shipping label. You might be wondering, what's in this box? So this right here is a Gentex GXS. This looks like a first gen with the that, and it also has pigtails too. Looks like that's not really a big deal since I do have wire terminals. So here is the back of it, visual remote strobe device, and yeah. So I've kind of lined these, and now I have one. It's a Gentex GSG XS remote strobe. Let me get the mounting bracket off. Here's the mounting bracket, and here is the back of the strobe. A little clear view of the thing. This particular model doesn't appear to have. Sorry, just some little papers there. This model doesn't appear to have the New York City approval, but yeah, there's the reflector. Let's see here. It looks like it's a 24-volt DC model. So yeah, I'll be testing this later. But we got this box. This box is going to be a lot bigger. So let me get something to cover the label so we don't see my address. So I just have this shirt here. So just to cover the shipping label. Alright, take the screwdriver. It's gonna be a pretty big unboxing. Like over $100 worth of, well, I'm not sure. You're gonna find out with me. Alright, so I'm gonna dig this box just to. So first of all, what's this? And there might be some server stuff in here too. So I'm not quite sure. Looks like to be an EST Genesis. There it is. This looks like a multi-controller Genesis too. And here's the back. It's a multi-controller strobe. So it's just a remote strobe. That's cool. Set aside for now. Alright, next item. Looks like to be some kind of ceiling mount device. And it is a simplex heat detector. Looks like to be a conventional one. Hold on. This one might be addressable because there's little things there. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look up the model number of this thing, but it's still either way. It's addressable. I don't care because looks like I got got a Cerberus Powertronics full station. It was a rather addressable one. So. Alright, next box. Next package. What do we have in here? We have a Siemens a Siemens ZNS remote strobe, which I think is kind of cool. I have a ZNS over here. Right here. I think that these two go on pretty nicely together. Even though this one's Siemens, these can't stay together, but because Siemens requires their own module. So yeah. Next box. It is. We have a Simplex True remote strobe. I'm not sure if it's a smart sync or free run, but if it's smart sync, well, you can. I don't know. But yeah, I now have a True alert, so that's cool. Now I have some Simplex devices. So I got 3 remote strobes. 4. I have a ton of remotes. I have tons of remote strobes now. That's kind of crazy, but it is. Of the remote strobes. And I have, look at that, an EST Genesis speaker strobe. That's cool. I didn't know that the wire terminals on the back of these things, but yeah, it's a Genesis speaker strobe. This is my first speaker strobe. It's not made by Siemens, so that's cool. It's really cool device. I see these all the time because here in Washington we have tons of EST because the biggest contractor here does EST. So. And I have this right here is an Integrity. I think this is a speaker strobe because it's all the wire terminals, and yeah, I think it is a speaker strobe. So it's an Integrity speaker strobe with this little power saver strobe. So that's cool. Cool device. Looks like I got it's not a remote strobe. This is like a Cerberus Powertronics or Siemens remote strobe. So I have tons of remote strobes. I'm gonna make a video about that. Looks like I got some Simplex little lights. Looks like a Simplex 4903 light plate, 4904 light plate, strobe plate. So looks like I got 2 more devices in here, so let's see what they are. Looks like this is a Notifier PG12. So let me take that off. I think this is the last device in the box. Looks like this is a Simplex remote horn. It's the dismissive click alert. I'm guessing. I'm not sure if it's smart sync or free run. I'm still looking at the model numbers. But I think that is it for this box. Yep, there is no more other than a piece of styrofoam. So let me make sure. That is everything I've got today. So my collection has just gotten a lot more bigger. So, yeah. This is all from Cowtomato too, so. So I got the Genesis. I thought this was a horn strobe. It's this. Well. This looks like a remote strobe. I'm gonna have to look up the model numbers of this to make sure that, see if it's more sync or. No, let's look up this heat detector. So yeah, I have a ton of, I have a ton of remote strobes. I have some Glock remote strobes too. This is also already in my collection. I think this is a key switch too. I don't have the key currently to this thing. This is very dirty. I have to clean it. Here's this one. And then here's the Genesis speaker strobe. I'm gonna be testing this. I'm gonna be testing all these. Siemens. That's already in the collection. And the Integrity speaker strobe, and this, and yeah, so, alright, that's about it for this, and of course the GSX, it's not from Kaudo, so, that is everything that's brand new. It's all red too, except for this heat detector and these key switches, so, yep, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Alright, so it's CaptainChris again. So it's been like 2 days since I filmed that video, filmed the last part. So yesterday I went to a salvage shop and I found this Potter PBA 12010 120 volt AC bell. I have not hooked it up yet, but it's my first bell. Here's the back of it. It's AC, 120 volts AC. And lastly, I got this emergency light at the salvage shop too. This is actually an incandescent emergency light. I haven't let this properly charge yet because I don't have a proper AC cord for it. And I have stuck it in the outlet. I mean, it does work, but I haven't allowed enough time to charge. I just stuck the wires in the outlet, which is not really that safe. This has support for both. This is actually, I think it's a generic light. It's support for both 220 and 120 volts. 210 volts actually. There's the bell. So yeah, I'm gonna get the box for this emergency light. The bell didn't come with a light. I mean, of a bell with a box. Here's the box of the light. It is incandescent. I'm not quite sure. It says halogen, whatever that is. Sounds like some kind of gas, but I haven't seen halogen the last time I looked at the periodic table for chemistry. And this is the manual it came with. Little overview of the manual. You can pause it, you can read it. So yeah, and also one last thing. I just bought a Wheelock ET17WP. Like last night. So this is the ET70. I also bought a new amplifier because my amplifier is broken. So yeah, basically I bought a Ghana. So I'm gonna be getting that. I might make an unboxing video for it. I might not. I'm not sure yet when I get it. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.